This has been my favorite bike ever since I reviewed it, but they've been really hard to come by, and I finally got my own. This is the eridepro 3.0. It's my favorite bike in class. Would I compare it to a Stark Varg or an RTR? No, it's in a class among bikes like the Talaria MX5, which I would say is probably its closest competition. It has a regen throttle. I do wish this bike had a regen throttle, but besides that, this is by far my favorite bike. It's badass, it's light, dual sport tires, upgraded belt drive, perfect amount of power. It's one of the few bikes out of the box you just don't need to upgrade. The eridepro 3.0 is officially available on Roster Rides. I have a really strong relationship with eridepro, so if you order a 3.0 from Roster Rides, you're getting priority shipping and fire service because most of the time it's me responding to service emails. I'm loading up my 3.0, Ra's Altis, and Jim's Altis, all three bikes from Roster Rides. Just had a little domino situation. We are off on a 3-hour drive to San Diego, passing by some other bikes, including a Raptor with 2 surrons in the back. Those are fire. Those look so good. Let's go. First ride on the 3.0. Forgot my gloves again today. It's ridiculous. My truck got so splattered on the way to Death City. Hey, hello, surrons. Let's go. Ow. Oh my God. Where did all you come from? Chill guys, chill guys. I'm good. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Shit.
Yo, can you sign my brand?
Ooh, that was kind of nasty in a good way, bro. Come on. Whoa. That Banshee's ridiculous. I love it. The eridepro 3.0 feels so good. Out of the box, nothing's touching this. The only thing close to it, I would say, is the Talaria MX5 because it has a regen throttle. I prefer the 3.0, and there's just plenty of power out of the box. You don't need to upgrade to the SR. That bike is twice the weight. This is the sweet spot.
I love your videos, bro.
Appreciate you, bro. Let's go. God, it pops up so nice. And the brakes are really nice, and the tires are really nice, and the tune is really nice. Literally, it's one of the very few bikes you don't need to do anything out of the box. No power upgrades needed. Even the wheels are perfect. Dual sport, 19-inch. Used to be what everyone put on their surrons. Yes!
I can't. Oh!
Come on. Didn't mean to stop. Hey, come on. Uh-oh, Banshee down. The Banshee's back.
Oh, shit! What's these combos?
Alright, let's see it. That was terrible, bro. Hey, I don't want to hear any excuses. Huge variety of bikes out today. It's awesome. Haha, come on. Let's go. What a beautiful day for such a beautiful activity. I got Twizzlers right here in my bag. Last time I was eating a Twizzler at a Rideout, I ran into a quad. We're up at the front of the pack. This is one of the biggest packs I've ever been in on like a weekly ride. This is awesome. Uh-oh. What is this getting us into here? Looks like we're on the highway. At least every single person here has a helmet. Yeah, he's going crazy. windy roads are fun. This is really I've never seen a weekly ride this big. It's either the community taking over or it's a particularly beautiful Sunday. God, these bikes are smelly. It makes you appreciate that most of the bikes here are electric. If everyone was putting out fumes like that, you'd need like a gas mask or something. Let's go. I feel like a little high five like that for a kid, like now he's addicted to bikes for the rest of his life. Should I feel guilty? Whoa, dude, quads are so scary because they have nothing to lose.
Hey, you're big.
Whoa! Whoa, that's cool! I've never seen that. Hey, are you all right? Are you okay? Take a second. You can hang out for a second. Are your bars straight? All right, hold on. What hurts? What hurts? Your leg hurts? Do you think it's broken? No? All right, let's go then. You need a push?
I'm out of gas.
You want me to push you?
Can you?
It takes a second and then we'll be going. What are you looking for? A gas station?
Yeah.
Is that how these work? You gotta go electric, dude.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I sold my surron for this.
You sold your surron for this? And look who's getting you home. I don't know if we're gonna see a gas station anytime soon. Go to the right. Go in the bike lane. If you're able to, put your left arm off the bars and then I can get a little closer to you. Nice. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Yo, thanks for taking him back. See you guys. I gotta catch up. I gotta bounce. See ya. Wow, that was convenient. Somebody picked him up. I've totally lost the pack. I'm just gonna assume they went this way. Feels like a good way to go. I've been there when you run out and you need someone to push you. Yes, there's a yes. My 50-50 shot was correct. Let's go, I found the pack. My goal right now is to get way in front of this quad because he smells terrible. Even just inhaling right there to speak was disgusting. Even way at the back of the pack you can smell it. It's not the nice two-stroke smell, it smells all burnt. No, now I'm behind the quad again. What was I thinking? See how fast this thing can keep the wheel up. 50, 53. Let's see if we can race. Ooh, the start! Smoking the surron. The 3.0 in the Stark Varg up front. Okay, that's the thing. The Stark Varg's a whole other level. So when I'm talking about my favorite bike, it's in this category, and it's absolutely the 3.0. And it's on monster rides. Whoa, that's a whole Navy aircraft carrier. No way. Those aircraft carriers are so big and it takes so much energy for them to move through the water that they're not fueled by gasoline or coal or electricity. They're fueled by nuclear energy, like one of those power plants. It has its own power plant on board where it breaks down uranium and uses the energy that's released, just like a nuclear power plant, to move the ship. And the craziest part about that technology is that those aircraft carriers, they only have to be refueled once every 10 to 20 years. So it can move that much weight through the water for decades without even needing to be refueled, because it has its own nuclear reactor like Iron Man. No way! Oh, that was so sick! He ollied onto the curb! That was so fucking cool! No way! Dude, he's like lifting the bike off the air like it's nothing. No, come on.
Hey, you good though? You good? Yeah. Hey.
I'll send you the video. No. Oh, okay. Fucking sketchy. There we go. God, this bike still has 45% in it. They moved the switch to your trigger finger on the throttle, so it's behind the throttle. Boom, now I'm blacked out front and rear. And if I click it again, it turns on the tail light and the headlight. That's nice. One click, you're blacked out. I don't think that was on the 2.0 at all. I'm swapping out my shoes for boots and letting air out of my tires because we're hitting the dirt. Jim just got a 3.0 from Ronster Rides. Tim just got a 3.0 from Ronster Rides. And Sean just got a 3.0 from Ronster Rides. We are out. Whee! Oh shit. This one got me last time. Let's see if I can do it. Wheelie over it. Let's go. It's just the perfect amount of power to book it in the street or in the trails without it being too much in either. One of my favorite things about this bike is that even though it's got all this power, it only has 2 power modes. Just like the original Surron. It's one of my favorite things about the original Surron. Yeah, too fast. Sport and eco, it's all you need.
These things rip. You're seriously like 10 times faster on this than your Surron.
Isn't that crazy?
Better bikes make better riders.
It's nice riding behind you too, because I see the lines you're taking, how fast you're going, and I'm trying to match you, and it's teaching me.
There's a lot more rocks than last time because of the rain. Try to carry a little more momentum if you can.
Oh man, this is some serious, like the fact that this bike's just eating it up is awesome. Oh shit, it's so sketchy. Sick. Yeah. The fact that these are the same wheels and tires that I was riding in the street yesterday, and now I'm ripping them in the dirt. That's so cool. You don't even have to change your tires every time you want to ride something different. It does it all. I feel like I've never ridden this well in my life. And that's when you get hurt, is when you're getting too confident. So I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Just kidding. Oh. Oh, that would have totally broken my foot. That definitely hurt, even with the boot on. Oh man, I'm a little nervous to look at that. I just hit the shit out of my left foot on a rock. Look at where we are. Not a better place to break your toe. Yeah! Let's go. No way. Let's go. Come on. It's just the most beautiful destination. Can you believe after ripping up an entire mountain, I still have 76% in the battery? This is the best range I've seen in class. We enjoyed the sunset, turned on our headlights, and ripped back. There are not many bikes that can hit both the street and the dirt at this level without needing modification. It's an incredible bike, and that's why I'm carrying it on Monster Rides. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. As they do!
Yeah, I'm all night.